Hi, I'm Linda Ratherbush, and in other circles, I'm also known as Scott's mother. We have been involved with the TJGT for over 6 years, and we love it. There's 3 things as a parent that I really have enjoyed. One is the stiff competition that they allow, because no matter how wonderful your high school golfer is, it is a giant leap from high school to college. The second is the personnel. We absolutely adore Dave Jones and Coach Monzingo because they know people and they are not hesitant to talk your golfer up to college coaches. The third is the expense. If you don't know already, the expense of having a golfer playing golf tournaments is very high, and the TJGT has tournaments here in Texas, which is good. Secondly, they really negotiate a nice price at the host hotel. And thirdly, the registration fees are very good. And this is very important when you are thinking about having college right ahead of you. We love the TJGT. We've been pleased with the results, and the tournaments are wonderful.